Hi Strike team, it's Lindsay here, showing off some of our new products for the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus and S24 Ultra. We've got in-vehicle solutions, mobile field accessories like cases and tempered glass. Love to show them to you now. First up, we've got our S24 rugged case. This case is also available for the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra. So it's in our lovely black box here. This case comes with a lifetime warranty and drop protection up to 1.5 meter mil spec. We've got our S24 camera cutouts right here, obviously S24 Plus and Ultra with slightly different options. We've got an inbuilt kickstand. So for anyone using that in a landscape desktop situation, this case is in stock and ready to go. Again, similar versions available for both the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra, Samsung's new release flagship devices.